What's up guys, my name is Bailey and welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video I'll be going over some of the key features of the Amazon Echo Show 5 and whether or not it's worth picking up for the end of the year for the holidays or even for next year of 2020. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video and let's start talking about these awesome features that the Amazon Echo Show 5 has to offer. If you're familiar with the Amazon Echo Dot or even the Google Home Mini, it's very familiar to what those have to offer. However, it does include a 5.5-inch smart display screen. Now what's cool about that is that you are able to see what's going on. So if you wanted to see all your alarms, it'll show you on the screen itself all the alarms you have set instead of you having to ask the Google Assistant or the Amazon Assistant what type of alarms you have currently set. There's a handful of features that you can use with this Amazon Echo Show 5. However, the main features that I use with this Echo Show 5 is pretty much what I use with my Google Home Assistant, and that's going to be the alarms as well as weather and playing music. Those are the three things that I use primarily, and it's really nice to have a screen right there so you can refer back to it if you just want to look at the device itself to see what time it was or to see what weather it was. You don't need to ask what it is, you can just glance over and it'll be right there for you. Now let's jump into the boxing and let's see all the content you get inside of the box. So the unboxing itself is fairly simple. You just pull the tab and it opens right up. So you're going to be getting the 15-watt adapter to be plugged into the wall to power up your device, and you'll be getting a couple manuals to help you set up the device itself. Now when you first purchase this product, it will ask you if you want Amazon to set up your account with the device itself. I opted out of it, however, I did want to mention that because it is a cool feature to have for Amazon to actually just link your Amazon account to the device so you don't have to do that when you first get it. But like I said, I opted out for it so I can show you guys how I set it up. Now this right here is the Echo Show 5 itself. Like I said, it's a 5.5-inch display screen from one end to the other end diagonally. It's 5.8 inches horizontally and 3.4 inches vertically. Now it's gonna have this plastic on it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this plastic off, and this is it. On the very bottom, there's gonna be some grip right there to kind of hold the speaker system in place if you happen to be blasting music super loudly. There's also the speaker grill on the bottom as well where the sound will be coming out of. On the very back, it's gonna have two ports for you. There's gonna be a power port on the left and then a 3.5mm audio output port on the right. On the very top, there's going to be a couple buttons. On the very far left button, it's a mic button to turn it on and off. And then there's going to be some volume rockers to lower the volume or to increase the volume. And then on the very right side, it's a camera shutter to turn on or turn off the camera. But let's go ahead and plug this AC adapter in. And once you plug that in and plug it into the wall, it'll automatically boot up. There's no power button for you to press. It'll just start booting up the second you plug it into the wall. Now keep in mind, in order to use this product, you will need to have an Amazon account. Now you don't need to be a Prime member, but you will need to have an Amazon account, whether it's a free account or if you are an Amazon Prime subscriber. So when it first boots up, it might take a little bit to load into the main menu. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this clip until we get to the first page that we need to get to set up this Amazon Echo Show 5. So when it finally boots up, it's going to bring you to the select device language page. I'm going to go ahead and select English because I speak English. Then it'll start searching for the networks for your Wi-Fi, and you're going to go ahead and select the Wi-Fi that you want to connect it to. I'm going to select this one and then type in the password. Once you have the password typed in and it connects, it's gonna ask you to sign into your Amazon account. And I'm gonna go ahead and sign into my Amazon account real quick for you guys. Once you've successfully logged in, it's going to ask you to confirm the time zone that you're in so that it can go ahead and calibrate the clock so that it's accurate to where you are located. Once you're done with that, it's going to ask you where you're going to place the device, and then it's going to ask you to name the device. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it as default as the Bailey's Echo Show. Now, Amazon's going to ask you to download the app on your phone so that you have more features with this Echo Show 5. However, I didn't find that it's quite necessary to download this mobile app, so I'm going to go ahead and just skip this feature, and it will prompt you to either download it or it's going to wait a little bit, and if it can't find the app, it'll allow you to skip it at the very bottom. Now it's going to play a very quick video on sort of the main features that you can do with the Echo Show 5. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this clip so you guys don't have to watch it because I've already mentioned most of the main features. And like I said, if you guys have the Amazon Echo Dot or even the Google Home Mini, all these features that I mentioned in this video is pretty much all the features that you can do on those devices. Once that's done, the Amazon Echo Show 5 has completed its setup, and now you can access all the features that it comes with. I'm going to go ahead and start testing out this device, and I'll come back in the next clip to show you guys how to set alarms and how to play music and kind of what the audio kind of sounds like with a quick review of the product. Now I'm going to go ahead and show a couple angles of this product, and as you can tell from the clip, there is some light reflecting off of the screen itself, so there is going to be some glare. Now keep in mind that it is quite sunny out right now. I do have the blinds closed, but I also have a ring light pointed directly at it, so that might also add to the effect of the glare on the device.
Alexa, play some Christmas music.
All right, the station, Holiday Favorites, free on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play today's hits.
The station Today's Hits on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Currently, in Midvale it's 42 degrees Fahrenheit with showers. You can expect more of the same today, with a high of 44 degrees and a low of 36 degrees. It looks wet today. Stay dry out there.
Alexa, wake me up at 5 a.m.
Alarm set for 5 a.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, cancel tomorrow's alarm.
5 a.m. alarm canceled.
Alexa, show me a recipe for French fries.
Okay, for French fries, here's a few recipes. And lots more.
So as you guys can see, this Echo Show 5 has a lot of features, and you can even put it in your kitchen if you want to have it for recipes, and that will be really helpful for those who have a lot to do and they have their hands full. They can just ask the device to tell them a recipe that they're looking for. Now for those of you who are not a fan of the clock face, you have no worries because Amazon has thought about that. They have a handful of different templates that you can choose from. They have anywhere between modern clocks to playful clocks, and you can actually have your own personal photo in the background of the clock if you wish to do that. Now I would say that this device is worth it if you can purchase it at a discounted price. Now currently this device is retailing at $89.99. When I purchased it during Cyber Monday, and they had a deal going on, and it actually knocked the price down to $49.99. Currently, it's sitting at $59.99 for the holidays. Even at that price point, it's still worth it. However, I would not want to spend $89.99 for this device. So, in conclusion, it's worth it if you can find it at a discounted price, maybe around $60 or less, but I would definitely not pay full price for this product. That is all I have for you guys in this video. If this video helped you guys out, please smash that like button. It helps me out a tremendous amount. If you guys have any questions at all regarding this product, leave it in the comment section down below. I answer almost every single comment you guys post down there. And I'm also doing a couple giveaways in the future, so if you guys don't want to miss that, hit that subscribe button so you guys do not miss those giveaways. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.